What's up, guys? Welcome to Theo Tech Review. Today we are unboxing Xbox's wireless headset. It's the first headset made by Xbox since the 360 days, to what I understand. It has some cool features about it. It has like an auto mute feature. It has dual microphones in it, so it picks up the ambient sound versus your voice. And for people like me who listen to music while they play games and your friends complain about it, that feature should be really helpful. It works with the Xbox Series X, the Xbox One, and Windows 10. It supports Windows Sonic, DTS headphones, Dolby Atmos, like spacious surround sound. So while you're gaming, you get the best experience. It also gets 15 hours worth of playtime off of these. And with 30 minutes, you should be able to get about 4 hours of battery life, and it fully recharges in 3 hours if it's not in use. I've heard a lot of good things. I heard they're really comfortable. The bed is plastic with foam. Metal with foam with plastic about everywhere else. Really big ear cups, like an oval shape with leather and foam cushioning. And I heard it's awesome and it should be really cool. Let's get into it. On the box, just a picture of the headset, some description of like what it supports, what's in the box, which is just the headset and the USB-C cable. This will also work with your phone. It supports Bluetooth 4.2, so any device that you have that supports Bluetooth 4.2, this will work with it. It says Xbox Wireless, paired directly with your console for high fidelity sound, on-the-go audio, Bluetooth, like I said, crystal clear chat, eliminate background noise, and voice isolation with auto mute, and customized fit, flexible, lightweight, and glasses friendly. Glasses wearers, they're looking out. Let's get to it. Xbox always has like these little tabs on all their boxes, and I heard they're pretty close to the Surface headset. So you open up like that, straight to the point. Headset is right here. Microphone folds up. It's not that long, surprisingly. This ear cup is game chat and party like adjustment, like balance, and it has a little click in the middle, so I'm guessing that's like the center point. But this whole cup turns, as you can see right here. It's a mute button for the headset. There is an LED on the headset that lets you know when it's active, and then this side is the volume. Whole thing turns. So that's pretty cool. We'll get to that. Let's see what else is in the box. Not much. Not gonna lie, this look just kind of thrown in there. Just the USB-C. This is 14 inches long, so 2 feet. And just the typical paperwork and how to pair it. So let's see how this fits. This box looks like it'll open like straight up, but it doesn't. So this has little clicks. I will say it is comfortable. The mic feels a little weird just because I'm used to mics that like kind of stretch like further out, so it's like right in front. But apparently with this you don't need it. The ear cups turning is a weird feature. Here is the connect and power button. And there's also an LED right here. I know it's probably really tough to see, but it feels good. It feels really comfortable. I'm excited to use it. because I'm curious to how the mic performs, because this like short part of it is kind of weird, but it's nice that it can fold out the way, so when you if you use like a pair of headphones, it works. But they said it's really great audio. And let's pair it to the Xbox to see how it is, and show you guys the process. You will need the Xbox accessories app on your Xbox if you plan on doing it this way. But let's go. So let's get started. Turn on your Xbox, and it powers on. It's currently signing me in. Alright, so boom, the Xbox is on. So to connect this, you connect it like a regular controller on the side right here, or wherever your button's located. You just hit it, so that starts flashing like that. Then you grab your headset, hold that, plays the sound when it turns on. See the LED flashing? If you heard that, you will know it. Realize it wants to connect to that. And now it's connected. And it's telling me your headset needs an update. So let's update that, and then we'll get back to it. All right, now that it's updated, let's click configure, and then it'll take us to this next page where you get to change the equalizer. Gives you all these settings, which is pretty cool. Lets you turn on and off bass boost. I'm gonna put it at 2 because, you know, need a little bass and everything. And it has all these different settings. I'm gonna keep it at game because I plan on using it to game. Auto mute. I'm gonna try it on low. Mute light. Keep it medium, so it's just a little indicator on the headset to let you know that the mic is active or not. Right there. And mic monitoring, so you can always hear a little bit of yourself in the headset, and I think that's pretty cool. So I'm gonna try that. And then I'm gonna game with it, and then I'm gonna let you guys know what I think. So I've been using these about a week, and I gotta say, I enjoy them. Well worth the $100, because I bought a pair of Turtle Beaches and I didn't enjoy them, and they were the same price. And these are just overall better. I use the auto mute feature because I listen to music. It's pretty nice because I'll have music blasting in the background and my mic doesn't turn on until I start talking. Which, with the Turtle Beaches, they always can hear. And I'm not going to show y'all, but they were taped together. I had them less than a year and they were pretty rough shape. And I like to think I'm pretty careful with my stuff. But yeah, like, these are great. If you're looking for a headset, I recommend these. Really not much to say about them. Even with the mic being so short, they're really loud and you're able to hear. Put them on. It blocks out some sound, not a ton, like they're not noise canceling, but you're able to hear the game clearly and still, for the most part, hear what's going on around you. Which, for me, I don't want dead silence when I'm playing the game. I like to hear what's going on in my place, especially because I listen to music. Again, like I said, for a third time. They don't mess with my glasses when I wear them. They're comfortable. There's really no problems with them. I guess one is when you're trying to like use this to adjust the game and party chat volume. It's like I like to keep the game faint because I really only use these to play like 2K and things like that. It's hard to get like that sweet spot if you like want the game really low, because 2K is really not the game where you need sound, to me at least. I just like the I don't use it for that. To put them in Bluetooth pairing mode, so this is pretty much like your one-stop shop button wise. You hold it to turn it on. Once it's on, you hold it for like 3 seconds and it goes into Bluetooth pairing mode, or you click it once and it turns it off. Like I said, the mic button is right there. Pretty convenient. But yeah, these are great. There's nothing bad to say about them to me. They've been great and they've got the job done for me. And probably like one of my like most satisfied purchase headset wise since I've started gaming. Cause I have these, I have SteelSeries, which I use for my PC, and then I had the old Turtle Beaches, which I can't wait to throw away. So yeah, guys, I recommend these. If you're looking for a headset for your Xbox, get these. All right, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, follow me on Twitter at Theo Tech Review, and I'll see you next time.